Okay, for our lesson today, we're going to learn how to count to 100 by ones and tens by using the website www.abc.com. Now, we're going to start off by going to the website. We'll have it already pulled up on our screens for the kids when we get to the classroom. And you're going to click on Read and Make. And then you click Go.
Read and make. Use the blocks on the left to make the number at the top of the screen.
Alright, so that's the instructions on how to play the game. We'll go over it one more time. You're going to use the base 10 blocks and the single digit blocks on the left side to drag them to the right and make the numbers on the screen. We're going to start out with the first difficulty so that the kids can get used to what's going on here and really get a good adjustment on the controls. So first, what you do is drag out 5 one-place blocks, because it says make 5 top up here. That's where it tells you what to make.
Woohoo!
Yeah, and it congratulates the kids once they get a answer right. So we'll have them on the ones difficulty for about 5 minutes. Let them go through about 5 to 10 of those just to get themselves warmed up. And as you can see, this one has 3, so we'd have to take away this time. And by doing that, you would drag them back to the left.
Yahoo!
And once they get that finished up, they're going to change the difficulty to just tens. You do that by clicking on the 10 and then taking away the ones place. So you clear your screen back off, and you'll see at the top that they need to make 60. So they'd have to drag 6 of the 10 place blocks out onto the screen, and they get the correct answer, as you can see. Now, while the kids do this for about 5 to 10 tries on this round, then we're going to switch over to 1 and 10s, which makes it a little bit more challenging, but at this point they should be up for the challenge.
Radical!
Now, once they do this and get good practicing on this, we might have them do it at our own request and have them go up to 100 with the tens blocks, and I mean any number you really want as the teacher. It's at your discretion. After we finish this, then we'll go on to more things off the computer, but as for the tutorial on how to do the online part of this lesson, that is it. Thank you and have a good day.